Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to check if an array is empty or not in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. To check an array if it is empty or not, what we are going to do, we have the predefined method that is called the length. And suppose this is my this this needs to be commented. Okay, this is the length. Okay, so this my array, we will check only the length, right? So if there is the length, that means the array is not empty. If it is not, that means the array has empty, right? So we are going to check the length. Currently you can see that the array is blank, right? So we are checking my array dot length is equal to 0. If it is 0, then the array is empty, else we are going to log that the length of the elements, right? Just copy and just go and write the console. So I will show you like this. Okay, array is empty, right? If I going to put here the values, right? 2, sorry, here we need to add 2, right? So if I go and just run it, redeclaration, because previously it's there. So let me go and just add this. Where is redeclaration? Let me save and run this one. Okay, so I'm going to put over here 2, right? And save this and just reload this. Array has one element, right? It come to this one because it is not empty, it contains elements. If I go and just remove this one, save this and reload this one, array is empty. So this is the one way that you can check whether the array is empty or not. Second one is array is array my array, right? So first you are just checking, confirming that the array is basically the array or not. If it is array, then you are going to check the length, right? So this is also the method, like if first you want to check if it is array, or if you want, then you want to check it's empty or not, then you can also use this part. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.